Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong.
I wanna make up right now, see you whining, grinding, all on the floor like that.
Kesenat arts and culture Jong Sorkar Jela, Hakat Sandrik Unai Wing Ajar Posau, Clark Kynmaw Buram, Iginong Laitluid Jong Jela, you will Ïaleh met but Minsim Benikun Dakawat, but Caste, Persia Bor Baklan Jong Sorkar Pareng. Hakadigasngi, Lasa Kilang do Mintri Kesenat arts and culture ba Poling do, Dolong Kumukong San, Ringkat Gajindon Lang Jung Principal Secretary Kesenat arts and culture ba FR Karkongor but QA. Habakaran kumukong san ba Poling do ulong ba yakadigasngi la jurake man lang ka sandrik unai wing ban Kynmaw Tympang jengidong Laitluid ni jai bin Riew lom ka belong ru kum shibenta ka jingrake ka sngi kha jong birsa munda hagari ka jingalang la pendan buram ru iginong Laitluid jong jela Meghalaya bekin thop usim drot sing sim le wok kyang nang ba upatugan sangma ka phanong lat bat kiwe.
The names that are right in front of us, Utirot Singh, Kaphandong Lai, Patugan Sangma, Upiang Namba, is a living testimony that for us, defending our soil, defending our land, our lineage, our language, our customs, would sometimes involve the ultimate sacrifice of life itself. And because of such brave hearts, we continue to live and to flourish to this day. Let me remind this gathering that although we talk of the great Indian rising of 1857, the rebellion led by Utirot Singh predated even that event. Utirot Singh had led his rebellion in 1829, decades before the rebellion of 1857. And yet, his rebellion, until recently, was just a footnote in history. Today, although his memorial, his bust at Dhaka was demolished, the fact remains that he is now accepted globally beyond the boundaries of Meghalaya. And it will be only a matter of time before we rebuild his memorial at Dhaka. If we, as Frederick had mentioned, this is a small gathering, but let us also remember that for us, we cannot be remembered, we cannot make a mark in this country through our quantity. We will matter to the rest of the country and the world through our quality. And therefore, small is beautiful in the context of tribal people like us. Small built, but small in number, but again, making rapid strides in every walk of life. Today, we have moved closer where we should know, our children are know, future generations should know about our own brave hearts of this land of ours.